Hello, guys. Good afternoon. My name is Jose Luis Sanchez. I'm gonna talk about quality and quality research. We're gonna talk about in the group 55103 First of all, we're gonna say that we're gonna say to all of you a little introduction about quality and quality research. This is a couple of efforts, and we'll see in quality in research is gonna listening skills in the classroom of 48 students. Okay, as we can see, we use some techniques in teaching listening skills, and the order is gonna be Hadaway, Nerd, and it's gonna be Antasari, Bangeros, Society, Lane in the teaching listening skills. Okay, in my point of view, we're gonna talk. I'm gonna say that listening is very important because it's an ability to improve our lack of knowledge. I can say too that those skills must be improved by listening because it has a very variety of vocabulary. In this place, we can also talk really well about this modification we should do it to the charts that are in the article. This article was made on in Indian school and is perfect because this Alan teacher made a chart where it explained how he evaluate constantly many students in the order to their performance, their skills little by little. Why listening is important? Because listening has a lot of vocabulary and also it has plenty of information to develop in any fantastic or any extraordinary way to modify the lack of knowledge. Please be aware that some words are using to fill the blank, other words are using to develop some skills and communicate with others in a second language. This is easy for us to understand and to provide a little and plenty way to understand our class and our students. He made a lot of difference and formulas to calculate the mistakes their students were making, and I think he's really aware about those skills. When we talk about the level of the knowledge that some exercise need, I think it's a little complicated because some words means different that in a sentence that they are in the vocabulary. I mean, you're gonna talk in gonnas, guanas, get down, get over, and get most of the time is to get something, to obtain something. But you say get down, it doesn't have sense. But you have to modify those words to be adapted in the vocabulary you use in the common life. Some strips and totals could be supported by understanding, by the listening, with reading, with subtitles. I think we can also do documentaries and improve listenings because it's advanced level of English. There are some aspects to be worked in the classroom, and with some sentences you can improve it too. Vocabulary is buried in phrases, and you have to be aware to know the connected speech. A term that corresponds to the union of sounds in the phrases that make words are pronunciate. Otherwise, it's a clear and it has a conjunction on it. Please listen. It appears almost in all the tips, and it's important to improve your English. I mean, listening is the best part of the English. I mean, 70% of the time you are listening, and 20% of the time you're speaking. So most of the time you have to listen English to understand English, and then you perform as you speaking. It's not always like listening and speaking. As a conclusion, I can definite this article because it was really interesting, and I have some point of view that I can reach and I can compare. Listening, I must improve it every time in my classroom. Do it to the necessary ability and the necessary aim that it has been. Please be aware of this every day that you are in the classroom, because you're gonna need it to speak English, to teach English, to be with all your students. Thank you so much, teacher. And once again, my name is Jose Luis. I'm gonna be in your YouTube channel. You're gonna find it right here. And see you around. Thank you so much.